possibilities are endless with this machine. It's a machine that you can use for multiple jobs, multiple job sites. Improves your equipment cost, your repair and maintenance cost is going to be lower. It's a multi-purpose machine that we're selling to the customer.
Want to put some extra horsepower behind your operations? Click the link below to subscribe to Equipment World's daily newsletter for the latest construction equipment news, trends, and reviews.
Hello, my name's Chad. I'm with Huddig. I'm the Midwest Business Development Sales Manager for the Huddig 1370. We're here at the PWX show here in Chicago, having our piece of equipment on display. We're new to the United States. The machine's built in Sweden, built to order. We're just getting some brand awareness, and we're happy to be here. So you're starting with the front of the machine. Of course, you can see it's got a loader bucket. It's not a backhoe. It's not a loader. It's a combination machine that you can use for multi-purposes. We've got Cummins engines, Rexroth, Parker hydraulics, so all the commonality parts amongst different manufacturers. There's no issues of getting parts. We've got parts distribution in Charlotte currently right now. As you can see, the booth, it's very, very user-friendly. All touchscreen, very, very advanced. You can actually dial in the controls. They're all fingertip controls. It's very, very intuitive to the operator. Very, very easy to run, very dynamic, very advanced piece of equipment. Remote control also. You can also see we have a boom attachment for utility work and other things that you'd have to work at a height. This current boom right here is at 67 foot. We have a 70 footer, then we have a 45 footer. The 70 footers actually we have an insulated basket and boom for power utility work. Here on the back, you see the excavator arm. It's got a reach of about 24 foot, digging depth of 14. A rototill attachment, 360. So anybody that's ran those are very, very easy to run. Very dynamic also to do multiple jobs on the job site or for municipalities. Hydraulic pressure, so the hydraulic pressures, you got up to 4 functions on both ends, on the loader end or the hoe end. You can go up to 4 functions, hydraulic pressures. You can run just about any attachment that you can think of, anything from a mower to a snow blower to a grapple bucket, anything you can think of. A large crane, we can mount a crane on front of it to do heavy lifting work. We have 3 different models. We have a cable model, which is this right here. This is more kind of built towards your utility work, above ground, utilities. We have a rail, which is a rail you could actually get on the railroad and maintain the railroad systems. And then we have the city, which is without the boom. It's a pivoting machine to where you can get in tight spaces. So it's very maneuverable in tight spaces in your city environments.
For more videos like this, click the playlist on the screen now.